Today we'll be changing the cabin air filter on my 2017 Subaru Legacy. First, you need to get the glove box door out of the way. Pull that right off. And inside are going to be some catch tabs. Push in, pull down, remove the glove box door to expose the cabin air filter housing, which is right here. You've got two tabs on either side. Squeeze them. Remove the case cover. Remove the old cabin air filter. As you can see, really needed one. Take your new cabin air filter, slide it into place, reinstall your housing cover, make sure it clicks. Take your glove box door, reattach it on the hinges down below, slide the tabs up until they click, and then simply push your connector rod back on until you hear a click, and it's all set. No reason to spend $100 at a dealership. Spend about $10 online for a filter. Do it yourself in about 2 minutes. Thanks for watching. Comment if there's anything you'd like to see on a Subaru of this year. Like if it helped you.